Hey, what's up? This is the trade recap for Thursday, June 18th. Um, took some shorts pre-market. I got on the charts this morning and I was just looking at it. I was obviously the high time frame bullish. But I knew if we wanted to be bullish, we would come down to this 30-minute gap right here. 7 minute, get it 30-minute, which was also a 15-minute. So I wanted to be high time frame bullish because we're obviously bullish. Um, we're in bullish market structure here. We're respecting, like, we're disrespecting bearish gaps, respecting bullish gaps on the higher time frame. So I knew I wanted to come here to take longs. Um, but pre-market, I got this really good setup. Kind of looks crazy with all these VWAP bands, but we had overnight value high. We had this weekly VWAP band, this orange band. Then we were rejecting off of this third deviation band of VWAP. And then we also had yesterday's orb was right here at the time. The new one's over here somewhere. I don't know. But we had yesterday's high, and then we had a previous day value area high right here. So we had a whole bunch of stuff right here. Like we had like, and then we had this 1 minute inverse. We had like five confluences right here, and it was at like 30 minutes before market open. But I was like, this is just too good not to take a stab at. Like, I would not be mad if I lost this. So I entered here, and I actually got out perfectly. I think I got out like right here. We started like rejecting. I was gonna take it down to VWAP, and they were kind of like playing around here. Like we closed and down, we closed. So I just got out. I was like, I'll just take my profits because it's pre-market. Um, so I'll just take that. Another great trade that I saw that I didn't take because I wasn't going to give any profits back to the market, was this 4 hour BPR tag. Right here, we had this 4 hour BPR, um, and then we had, uh, coming into that BPR, we had this SMT uh, with ES. ES did not take into this BPR. So we had an SMT, we had the 4 hour BPR, and then again we had this third deviation of VWAP band. Like as you can see, it's just rejecting from it almost every single time we get to it. It's really hard, I think, to me. I don't know if this is true, but like to get outside of the third VWAP band, it's pretty hard because that's like the last dance or like the last chance. That like price has to reject. So we had an SMT, VWAP band, 4 hour BPR, and a 1 minute inverse here. You could take it. I think there was like a 5 minute gap here. Yeah, there was. I would have taken it to here, probably just that intermediate 5 minute low. So I mean, as a 1 to 7, um, you could have maybe got a 1 to 2 out of it. Yeah, you could have. But 1 to 7 would have been fine for me. Obviously, you wouldn't want to see price come up here. This is a protected high, so just put it at the body. If it inverses this and goes up here, you're just wrong on that trade. But that was another A plus trade. I didn't take it because obviously I took that trade before, but to me, this was an A plus short as well. So if you took either of those trades, I think they're really good trades. I probably won't trade tomorrow because it's Juneteenth and it's a holiday, so that will be the end of the week for me.